going on, YouTube? Come on! My bad, I started the video off a little crazy, but just wanted to make something real quick for you guys. Got the birds up and flying real good. Just letting them loft fly. Flying real good. I let them sit on the roof all day, just letting them enjoy, get comfortable. I got my dropper out here. He's somewhere in the back. He's not supposed to be coming out, but he's coming out. There's about 40 birds up there. I have maybe, look at the dropper all the way in the back. Let me see if I can get him for you guys. Hopefully a hawk doesn't come by. Look at this guy. It's a trumpeter. He's flying real good, real high. Doesn't know how to land. Look at him. He's flying pretty good. Can't keep up with the homers though. That's a trumpeter. Just landed on the neighbor's roof. He's kind of making the pigeons want to come down. As you can see, they're just doing laps. Looking real good. They're flocking way much better now. Like I said, there's maybe 7 birds in the loft still, younger birds. I would have pushed them out, but I just let them be. They'll come out when they're ready. They're picking up speed. A little wind, pushing them around. Still got one of them just landed. Bad guys. Still got some stragglers. They don't want to flock up yet. They're just doing their own thing. Look at this guy, front line. I love when they fly past you. You could just hear them. Look at the dropper right there. I just hope a hawk doesn't come by and grab him. Look at this guy. Oh, there he is, right on the roof. Got that from my buddy G. He's a trumpeter. I'm gonna use him as a dropper. Pigeons is getting higher up. Nice little flock there. Breeding's going pretty well. Can't complain. I got a couple eggs hatched already. This is my last round. Nothing after this. Any birds that lay eggs now is getting tossed. Flying real good. I want to get them on the road by June 1st. I could possibly take them on the road now, but there's no rush, you know. They're flying good. They've been taking off 15, 20 minutes. Not long, but they're flying great. Yeah, just wanted to make this quick video, show y'all what's going on. I haven't posted maybe in a week or two. Just been busy with work. And it's been raining a lot last week. We're supposed to be getting some more rain this weekend. But yeah, stay blessed, guys. Have a great rest of the week. And keep flying pigeons. Real excited for this year's Young Bird Race. Have a way bigger team. And before I go, I did create a logo for the channel. It'll be up on this video at the beginning. Had my buddy create a little logo, which was cool. So y'all will be seeing that. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers. We're which is very much appreciated. I appreciate every single one of you guys that watch my videos and leave the comments. It's very much appreciated. Keeps me motivated to keep going with the YouTube, you know. I don't get many views on the videos, but I don't really mind, you know. At the end of the day, even if it's 5 views, 10 views, someone's watching and enjoying the pigeons with me, and that's what matters to me. All right, guys, y'all have a good one.